Giancarlo or Anastasia? Take out your sassy so you can talk better. Giselle, are you really using the phone? Are you pressing send? Who are you calling? This is not a phone, this is a camera. I'm trying to capture the cuteness of when you say, Ellie, 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 Ellie. Because I don't want to forget about that. It's really cute. Take out your sassy and do it. Good. Say, Ellie, 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 Ellie. That's a camera. It's a camera. Okay, say bye-bye, camera. Oh, Gisela, how old are you? Are you 1? Can you show me that you're 1 with your finger? Are you too busy? Gisela, can you show me that you're 1 with your finger? Can you show me? How old are you? Oh.